how to change Instagram name before 14 days. So let's see if we can change that name. First, open up Instagram application, and after opening, now you can simply go for the bottom right corner which has that profile icon, and then you can go for edit profile, and under your edit profile here you will have your name, right, or you will have your username. So you can simply tap on that username, and then you can remove that and you can add a new username. And after adding that new username, and now you can simply tap on the tick icon which is on the upper right. So that's it, that's how you change it. And now let's again try to change that, and now go for the upper right corner which has that tick icon. So now you can see that we can change our username. So let's try that once again, and again tap on that tick icon, and you can see that we can change that username as many times as we like. And that's it, that's how you change your username. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.